Hello, my name is JMAC with JMAC Engine Shop, and this is another engine rebuild completion video. This time the engine belongs to Kevin, and it is a MG Midget 1500. The engine number is FP63284UE, and today's date is August the 30th of 2024, and we've been completely through this engine, and we freshened up the bottom end. The crank was turned, and it's got fresh brand new bearings, and it's got new timing chain. Cam has been refreshed. The top end has been through. The rocker shaft has been replaced, and everything's been inspected, and it's all been put back together, and I've run it for well over an hour, and the compression numbers are very good. All of them 180 to 190. We had increased the compression by shaving some off the head, and it's got flat top pistons, and oil pressure is good. It's 78 or so at idle on startup. When you're running down the highway, you could see anything from 60 to 80. When it gets good and warm, it'll drop down to 60-ish when you're at on the highway, or when you're driving with 3,500 RPMs or so. And when it's really good and hot, and you go back to idle initially, the pressure will be a little bit below 30. It'll be like 26. It'll get down to maybe close to 26, but I'm not at all alarmed by that. That's more than enough oil pressure to supply the bearings and so forth. And as soon as you speed the engine up, it climbs back up to 60 and 65. So, you know, everything's all good with that, and I'm very pleased with this engine, and cleaned up nice. And so we're gonna let it run, let Kevin hear it run, and then we'll close out the video. Okay, there you have it, and it's ready to go, Kevin, and we'll send you a bill, and you can come get it. Thanks for watching the video.